dito yung dal. Wala pa yung dal dito.
Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if...
Itong format na to, no, or itong setup na to, no, very ano na sa atin to eh, parang ingrained na to eh, no, very nag-age na rin, no, yung mga millennials. Parang tayong mga millennials, papasok na tayo dun sa stage ng life natin na parang
With all those machines they were riding.
The rebels were riding bristlebacks. And there were bristlebacks in the Daunt.
Are you saying the rebels let them into the Daunt?
Hindi na nila alam kung nasaan yung final build ng game bago nila ni-release. 'Di ba? Siguro diyan ang parang pinaka-primary example diyan, Final Fantasy 8, Diablo 2, lahi na in terms of work, Indian, Chinese, Australian, yan, Americans, ano pa ba? Siguro sa Europe.
Ano ba yung bag?
I'll crank that car down myself if I have to.
Well, but then who would crank it back up? Fine, fine.
External temperature minus 46 degrees Celsius. 2 minutes to drop off. Stand up.
Forget something back in Meridian?
Look, Varl,
It doesn't matter. So this tribe that Murad told us about, the Tanakh.
Dream na. Ano, paano ba? Parang pinaka gusto kong puntahan, no? Bago man lang tayo mawala sa mundo, di ba? Bago mawala sa mundo, no? Makapunta ng Japan, no? So, yun.
私、ここ
ずっとここ
に
にいたかったような甘い感覚、自分が溶けていくような。
Ito ba yun?
Seeks to topple my government. 1 week. You have only 1 week. And if it is not too much to ask, do something about Volgan as well.
What is that supposed to mean?
He's the Ocelot commander.
That's Major Ocelot to you. And don't you forget it.
Nila about sa ano yung state ng preservation natin, no, sa games. Na parang walang ginagawang take na actions, yung mga corporate naging appealing sa akin because of the setting. Solar system, tapos meron kang airship or well, spaceship, no, na you can travel. Point dito is that if meron kayong someone na pina-follow and very respectable yung ginagawa nila, no? And then sometimes, no, parang
You would have mild cases. What's this?
Flying over the Arctic Ocean, altitude 30,000 feet, approaching Soviet airspace. Arriving at the designated drone launch point. Drone oil pressure and voltage are nominal.
naman. Wala, sadali. Alright. Record na yon, hindi siya shared sa lahat sa atin. Diba? Kumbaga parang kunyari, sino ba yung mga kliyente ng bangko na to? No? Ano ba yung mga transaction?
Something there. I must be seeing things.
Hayaan mong yung mga tao magkaroon ng kopya nun, irregardless no, kung binili ba nila o hindi. 'Di ba? Kasi nga nasa blockchain eh. 'Di ba? Nasa blockchain. So, na-access siya ng tao. Like yung transaction. 'Di ba? Hindi nila makakontrol yun. Kasi nga, yun yung nature ng blockchain. Is wala silang control. Pero meron silang control like, let's say, kung sino yung mga pwedeng client. 'Di ba? Ito yung client kunyari. Para ma-view or makuha niya, no? Yung data na yan, ang nangyari is dina-download natin.
So, what brings Aloy of the Nora to Barren Light?
I'm here for the embassy. I need it to happen so I can head west. And maybe now that Studios Juarez is here, we can...
Sir? There's the commander.
How are we to hold an embassy with a tribe that can't even govern their own people?
What more can you expect?
Dito baka may hospital din dito. Nakuha ko na yata ito.
And then, nanatili lang sila dun sa digital state nila. Diba? So, ito yung mga something na, you know, pwedeng mawala. Kasi once na yung
nakakampas na naman siya. Oh, yung gold film kasi ano eh, limited lang eh. Yung zero. Oh, yeah, yung mga. Sigurin ko may-ari ng toyo, no? Natin yung kain natin, patayin yung kupal na yun. Visit yun na.
I could check in on your...
Kaya nung anong
Call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy. Huh?
oh, may kiss pa.
Don't go dying on me now.
Surely the delay...
Either you do it now, or I will.
Ah, I knew you could do it! Friends, gather around. The savior of Meridian.
and syempre responsibility wise 'Di ba? Yun yung nananaig, ika nga. So, parang nag-create ka ng copy na parang kinopy mo yung data na to papunta dito. 'Diba? So, parang nag-propagate yung data. 'Diba? Ganun yung sense ng Web 2. Pero,
What a thrill, with darkness and silence through the night.
itong format na to, no, or itong setup na to, no, very ano na sa atin to eh, parang ingrained na to eh, no, very aggregation na yon, it's separate yung user and then yung critic, 'di ba? Mas merong weight yung critic compared to user. Dream na ano, paano ba? Parang pinaka gusto kong puntahan, no? Bago man lang tayo mawala sa mundo, 'di ba? Bago mawala sa mundo, no? Makapunta ng Japan, no? So yun, I don't give a shit, no? About that. Pero yung campaign na Infinite Warfare, totally enjoyed it. No, hindi siya yung best story ever.
Pwede pa ako mag-stream mamaya. Sana hindi ako tamadin. Pwede ako antokin. As the dead, it's the world become that itself. Can you imagine what this mask is used for? It has a gentle smell like body statue, but there are primal emptiness.
Ay maraming gumagamit ng Steam despite of alam mo na, hindi sila DRM free na na provider, 'di ba? So, ayun nga, like I said, before ng release date talaga, available na yung game doon sa mga emulator. So, isipin mo na lang, 'di ba? Isipin mo na lang kapag naging widely known tong emulator na to.
Ayaw ma-change siya talaga.
Pinaka latest, if you want to revisit that, so kailangan natin ng version control para i-keep track yung history ng changes na yun. 'Di ba? So dati kasi wala pa.
Venomous animal.
Kailangan. Saan ba yung notes ko?
And I'll melt into you. What a fear in my heart, but you're so.
Yun, kung nakunan ko pa yun. Wala rin.
Wala muna akong mabibili sa 13 month ko. Punta ko ng HK. Uy! Grabe naman si Sir. Sama, Sir. Taray, 2 weeks ka sa HK. Ano?
He has not yet found an emotion to carry into battle.
What are you talking about?
Think you can pull the trigger?
And at the same time, nasa atin na nga yung bola, ang hirap pa. No? Kumbaga parang, at least if we try to keep it legit as possible.
Dito tinuchorcho yung mga bata eh. The Mervs. Oo, siya yung naunang dumating dito eh, itong lalaki eh. Kasi siya yung nag-investigate ng mga nawawalang bata. Ano to eh, parang ano to eh. Yung scenario ng...
Yun, marami, no? Yung games, yung hardware, yung mga specialized machines, di ba? Even yung magazine, yun yung mga kailangan natin no? Parang ganoon na yung parang binibigyang attention ng mga company ngayon compare before na parang dahil binabayaran ka, oh shit, do your work, di ba?
Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if...
At ma-sidestep ko pa. Sa mukha.
If I'm broken, if I'm torn.
Wala eh. Walang dal dito. Puro cinematics pa lang yan sa kausap. Wala pa yung gameplay.
The backpack. I lost it in a tree on the way down.
I see. Well, you'd better go back and get it.
Have to choose. I don't expect you to forgive me. But you can't defeat